What is up, guys? It's your boy No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the Market Overview, guys. Today we called it yesterday on that gap up, and continue to run today, right? So are the Bulls back in town? I don't know. Cue the music, right? But I can tell you this: if we clear 50-35, I would almost see sure to be guaranteed that 5100 plus is likely going to be coming. Now we could easily come back up right to this top of the supply zone from about 40, excuse me, 50-30 to 50-35. Before we get even more into the levels, let's check on what we got going on tomorrow for the economic data. We can see continuous jobless claims comes out every Thursday morning at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's every single Thursday. So we know that that's coming. We do have a good amount of data along with that jobless claims, as you can see. Um, we have some Philly manufacturing, the capex, Philly Fed employment, all this kind of retail sales, et cetera, et cetera. So a slew of data here early in the morning. We'll need to pay attention to that. As far as after that data, we do see we have some 10 a.m. data, NAHB, housing market index, business inventories, et cetera. So we'll need to pay attention to that data. So 1 hour before the market opens, 30 minutes after the market opens. And then don't forget, we got PPI tomorrow. Onto the charts here. Like we said, let's see if we can continue marching up. 50-35 is going to be my level to play around tomorrow, or dips into 5,000. If 5,000 holds, great. Let's look to the upside. 50-35 is going to be that level to play. If we break and hold above that area, I do think 5,100 is going to be on par. From there, on to NQ. NQ showing a lot of strength, just like ES did today. 17,800. We're watching dips to hold into the zone here. 17,940. That'll be the level to the upside. If we do not get above that, you can look for a rotation back down, break and hold above that. Really target 18,000. 18,121, 18,450 is my ultimate target from here. I do think we get to on. And Q onto the SPY chart. Have that little box drawn there for the gap on the daily. If you guys don't forget, it's going to zoom out a lot. Don't get scared. But you could see almost filled this gap here on the daily. So let's just put the new little bit of a gap there, right? But we can see not a lot of volume here, but don't really need it following the trend up. Let's see if we can fill that gap back at 500. So tomorrow, the level to play around tomorrow is 500. Over that, I think 503, 509 would be the levels above. If we reject it, look for a move back down to about 495. QQQ. Same thing. Almost filled that gap on the daily. Oh, so close. So we'll have to go here to the daily again. Excuse me. Let's update this. There we go. So tomorrow the level is going to be 435 to the upside. 435. Look for that gap fill if we get it. If we reject it, right back down to 430. If we not break and hold, 439 to the upside is where you're going to be looking there on QQQ. And last but not least, we've got IWM. IWM, the gap is tricky here because we went to the close of this candle, but we can see we actually closed the day all the way up here. So I'm going to count this as filled. But just got to get over 200 mall. I mean, 200, right? It's either we get over it or we don't. So either look for the reject for move back down to 193, break and hold over that 200 level. Look for 203, 205, 208 to the upside, guys. That's all I got for you. As usual, you got to wake up early, get your levels right, and of course, not do anything fucking stupid. We'll see you bright and early. Peace.